I want you to turn your body cam off. Protocol is that you turn it off. If a citizen requests it to turn it off. She's a lawyer.
So they want you guys to leave?
Yes, we're gonna leave.
Let's just leave. Let's just make it easy, okay?
We're gonna make it easy.
No, that's not.
I am.
Okay.
I'm her
That's
husband.
not the point. Can you look at me?
Yeah, we'll talk over here, okay?
Your protocol is.
Can we all talk? Can we all talk?
We'll talk over here. They want you to leave.
Your protocol is.
Can we talk?
Who is she to you?
What's that?
No,
Who is she to you?
Nothing.
She is our college friend.
Okay. She's a friend.
Yes.
No, I'm not.
You guys just want to know? Do you want them trespassed?
Anything we can do.
Yeah.
Trespass, yeah. I just need
Trespass, get him out.
cuff 'em, please. It's the only way.
Okay.
No, I'm not. No, I'm not.
Do you want to chat?
I know that your protocol is.
So you're trespassed, so we got to leave now. Unless you want to be in there.
We're not trespassing. You haven't notified us that we're trespassing.
So
Number one.
what did I
Number
just
two.
say to you? You're
You're
trespassed. Let's go.
Number one.
I don't
Number
want to
two.
arrest you guys.
You're not going to arrest us. Number two
So let's
is
leave.
that
We got to go. We got to go.
protocol
Let's go.
is.
Let's
Can we
go.
calm down for 1
protocol
second?
is if we
Yeah.
ask you to
I
turn
don't
the
want.
body
I don't
cam
want to
off.
deal with this. Let's
Okay.
go.
No.
Let's go.
I understand you don't want to deal with it, but the
let's go.
protocol
Wait,
is,
wait,
and your
can-
protocol
can
is
you
if I
relax?
ask you to turn off the body cam, you have to turn it off, and that's your protocol.
She's a f***ing lawyer, so she knows.
Well, that's lawyer stuff, so that's not true. So we got to go.
No, it is. That's law.
I'm an
What's she
AG.
saying?
I'm an AG.
Good for you. I don't give a shit. Let's go. We're going. Let's go.
Excuse.
We're leaving.
Please
We're leaving.
please don't put your hands on us.
Can you get your children out of here? Like, I don't know why.
I'm sorry. What?
Let's go.
Let's go.
Let's go.
They're two full-grown women and mothers. So, all right. Hey.
You're just being detained. You're just being detained.
I'm an AG. I'm an AG. I'm an AG. What do you? What do you?
What's wrong with you?
What
What's
do
wrong
you
with you?
probable cause to detain me for?
You're being detained because you're not leaving.
Because I'm what? You have.
Can you relax? Sir, she's not doing anything wrong.
AG.
She's not leaving.
I'm an AG.
Let's go. Buddy, you're not. She's not being
I'm an
arrested. Let's go.
I'm not being arrested. You're putting me in cuffs. I'm not being
Okay,
arrested.
do you have any weapons on you?
No, I'm an AG.
Her badge is in the car. You want me to go get a badge?
Let me tell you something. You're
Buddy,
arresting.
get the hell out of here. Buddy, just seriously.
You're arresting an AG. Let me tell you something.
Are you under arrest right now? No.
You're putting me in handcuffs and you're Mirandizing. You're not Mirandizing me.
Relax.
Buddy, you're gonna regret this.
Yeah.
You're gonna regret it. I'm an AG. No, take your hands off me.
We will get the
Take your
license.
hands off
Dave,
me.
we will get the
All right,
license.
she's getting detained.
No.
No. We will get the license.
Get out of here. Get back right now. Get back.
detained.
No, I can't. No.
Get back. Get cuffs.
Yep.
I'm right here. It's okay.
All right, just stuff in the
right
car.
here. No. I'm right here. I'm right here.
Get back.
Come on, Dave.
No.
Stop touching me.
All right.
Dave, I'm right here.
No,
I'm right here.
babe, please, I'm scared.
I'm right here.
Please stop doing this. Please
I'm
stop
right
doing
here.
this. No, I'm not gonna put my hands on my mask.
I'm right here.
No.
Okay.
No, please don't do this to my friend.
I'm right here.
No,
Right
no,
here.
no. Babe,
I'm right here.
babe,
I'm right here.
no, babe.
Relax.
No,
Relax.
What's wrong with you?
Relax.
We don't want to put you in handcuffs. Let's go. Let's go.
No, babe.
Listen, you're overreacting.
You're adding charges.
You're overreacting.
No. Please take my hands out. Please take Devon out of handcuffs. No, please take
You were overreacting. You didn't have to have this happen. Get in the car.
No. Babe, no!
You got two detained.
I'm right here.
Get in the
No!
car. Just put her in.
No!
Get back, bro.
In the car. Get in the car.
Get your feet in the car.
I'm right here. I'm right here.
Get your feet in the court.
No!
Get your feet in the fucking car.
Dan!
Dave, I'm right here.
No! Dave! Dave! No!
Get your feet in the court.
Who the fuck are...
Get
Don't
your
touch
feet-
me!